Partnering with a specialist, why the right doctor makes all the difference. Genetic testing can be a powerful tool for understanding scoliosis, but like any tool, it works best when it's used by someone who knows how to use it properly. That's why it's so important to partner with a scoliosis specialist, someone who doesn't just understand the spine, but also knows how to read genetic test results and use them to build a personalized treatment plan. A great example is myself, Dr. Clayton J. Stitzel, a scoliosis doctor who uses functional medicine. Functional medicine looks at the whole person, not just the curve in their back. It connects the dots between genetics, nutrition, hormones, brain function, and lifestyle. When you work with a doctor like this, you're not just getting a one-size-fits-all treatment. You're getting a plan made just for you. That's why partnering with the right specialist can make such a big difference in how you feel and how your scoliosis is managed. Many regular doctors don't know much about scoliosis beyond bracing or surgery. They may not understand how genetic variants affect bone strength, posture, inflammation, or hormone balance. They also might not know how to use nutrition, supplements, or lifestyle changes to help support your body. But scoliosis is more than just a spinal curve. It often involves deeper issues like poor nutrient absorption, stress hormone problems, muscle imbalances, and even trouble with brain-to-body communication. That's why it's important to find a doctor who looks beyond the X-ray. You need someone who understands how genes and environment work together to shape your health. When you partner with a scoliosis specialist who knows about functional medicine, they can look at your genetic test results and explain what they mean in simple terms. For example, if your results show a variant in the MTHFR gene, they'll know that your body may need special forms of B vitamins. If you have a COMT variant, they'll understand that you may need extra support to clear out stress hormones. If you have a problem with vitamin D receptor genes, they can recommend a more absorbable form of vitamin D to help strengthen your bones. This kind of personalized care can help reduce pain, improve posture, boost energy, and even slow down or stop curve progression. A good scoliosis specialist will also understand how nutrition affects your spine. They'll help you choose the right foods to lower inflammation, support brain function, and build strong bones and muscles. They'll talk to you about supplements, not just random vitamins from the store, but the ones that match your genetic needs. They might also recommend scoliosis-specific exercises that improve posture, balance, and muscle strength. And they won't forget about other important things like sleep and stress. They'll teach you how things like breathing exercises, better sleep habits, or time in nature can help calm your nervous system and support your spine. The right doctor doesn't just treat your curve, they treat you. They take time to listen to your story, ask about your lifestyle, and explain things in a way that makes sense. They help you understand why your body works the way it does and what you can do to feel better. They become your partner in the process. That kind of support can be life-changing, especially if you felt confused or frustrated about your scoliosis in the past. Working with a scoliosis expert who knows genetics also helps you avoid wasting time and money on treatments that don't work. Instead of trying random supplements, therapies, or exercises, you'll know exactly what your body needs. That means faster results and fewer setbacks. It also means you can feel more confident about your choices, because they're based on science, not guesses. If you or someone in your family has scoliosis, one of the smartest things you can do is find a specialist who knows how to connect genetics, nutrition, hormones, brain health, and movement into one complete care plan. Ask questions like, do you use genetic testing in your practice? Or, do you treat scoliosis with nutrition or functional medicine? Look for doctors who stay up to date with the latest research and who care about the whole person, not just the spine. In the end, partnering with the right specialist gives you hope. It gives you answers, and most importantly, it gives you a plan. With a scoliosis expert by your side, Especially when trained in functional medicine, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. You'll have a guide who can help you understand your genetic test results, make smart choices about your health, and take steps that actually work for your body. That's what real scoliosis care should be about, not just straightening a spine, but helping a person live a stronger, healthier, and more confident life.